Yeah, so I clearly don't know much about rigid bodies. Either this guy is able to do some pretty sick moves, or I coded this wrong. Yeah, my game doesn't work very well. Look. This boy, look at him.
Wait till you see the. No.
Yep, he just keeps on struggling and struggling and struggling until I let him die.
Oh, you can control him.
Yeah, I just started working on this today. He doesn't know how to go left, he can only go right. Okay, time for some game development. Okay. Well, we know he can move to the right. Well, we don't want this to be an else if. Get key code A. And in this case, we want to set this to -1 in that case. Okay. Now he can moonwalk, I guess. I'm not sure. So let's fix that movement. Since right now he can kinda float walk? I don't know. Problem is we're also setting the Y vector. Dot position. Yeah, I want something like set velocity. Or just a basic movement script. Times fixed delta. Times speed. Times horizontal speed. And for y, rb.velocity.y. Right, this is what I want, but he can now fall over. And he can, oh! Can he walk too fast for himself too? Yep. I mean, that's kind of cool, actually. That's kind of nice. But we might want the inertia on the, what is it? Y-axis less? Or something? I don't know. So many fun little physics effects though to work with here. Let's work on jumping. For a jump, Okay, so this person is saying use add relative force. It's been a while since I've taken physics, but let's just see. That's better. So far, I have a basic little scene created here, which we can press play, and you can see the character can move around, hit things, and yeah. So of course, this asset and this asset is all stolen from the 2D game kit that actually exists, and then the background elements are all part of just some assets from the asset store that are completely free to download. Of course, all of these assets are temporary. I'm just playing around with them to get a little start on a 2D game. The next step for me is going to be to decide if I want to use my own camera system or if I want to use the one that exists in the 2D game kit. Because as you can see right now, I just go off the screen. Alright, let's get to work on it. And the camera is now working. So the next step is going to be to actually transfer this character that we have into a character closer to what the actual game will be like. So let's get working on that. Okay, we now have all of the animations. We now have an army of characters ready to fight. Now we just gotta put them all together. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Alright, the player can now move around, jump, everything like that is working pretty good. So, what's next? We gotta add some parallax to the background, so let's get working on that. I don't want to reveal too much about the game so far, but the basic idea is that you're underground in a underground sort of crypt or underground world, and you get to explore it, meet different characters, do some different quests, all in a 2D environment, and yeah. But right now it's just about implementing some simple mechanics, and we'll see what the future holds for this game project. Well, I wouldn't quite say that the parallax is perfect, but I have adjusted the values and I've gotten it to something that I quite like, honestly. So I think things are looking pretty good for now, so yeah, I'm going to call it a day. Thank you guys for watching the first episode of this devlog, and I hope you stay tuned because I'm going to continue working on this game.